21st. It's about 20 past 11. And it's a beautiful day. We'll see how much riding we can get in. We got a few errands to do. And Bluetooth. Got a new set of sneakers on the front end. We had the front end aligned yesterday. And now we're taking it for a nice test run. It feels really good. We had it done at, what's the name of that place? Mosites Motorsports. I think they did a good job. The only downfall, they're 65 miles away from us.
Well, it was a nice ride.
Yeah.
When you're off the highway, of course.
Yeah. So it feels nice and tight.
And I don't see any bouncing on the right side, so that's a good thing.
Yeah.
I don't feel it in the back. So thumbs up, Mosites.
Let's see what happens. All good. Well, stay tuned. We don't know what we're going to do after our errands. Okay. Here we are. This place is huge. Went inside, they cover everything. Ducatis, they got Yamahas, Triumphs, Harleys, Indian, everything's in here. Place is huge. On-road, off-road. They cover everything. Neat place. We got a little bit of color change. Not much. A little bit on that tree right there. It's spotted. We just went by an area where they had a lot of color change already. I think the peak season is the second week of October for this area. Oh, we got a little bit.
I'm not really pushing it, but it's always nice to see.
Yes. Since fall starts in 2 days, on this Saturday, is first day of fall. It's coming fast. We'll see what the winters are. Our first winter in PA. There's on red. It's just starting. So stay tuned for more. There's a tree.
There's a tree.
There's one. Folks, that was a tree. As we go, we see a little more and more. Actually, we're traveling east on Route 28 north. Okay.
Yeah.
Route 28 north and we're going east. That's good. Keep watching. Look at some colors coming up. Like I said before, they're starting. This is end of Summer Foliage Ride.
Yep.
And it's pretty. And it's just starting. We're exploring now. We just decided to go off to 28 and check things out. So we're on Crossroads, whatever town we're in. But you can see the color has changed up here. And the leaves are falling. Oh.
Already.
You're not ready? I am. This is the best time of the season to ride. Better than spring, because this way you got some color.
Yeah, true.
Get some beautiful scenery.
We missed that scenery last year. We went up to North Adams and it was completely gone.
Yep. Alrighty. Catch you on the next one. Whoops, sorry about that. Birdie. Birdie, birdie. I just had to catch that one. Shot clip. Just thought this was a neat little town. I turned the camera on late because it was up on a hill. I was debating.
Never debate, honey. Just go for it.
We're on 555 in Weedville. Oh, we just came through Weedville, I don't know. Headed to Du Bois. Okay, this is a site that says you're welcome to take a rest on the bench.
Stop, relax, enjoy, pray, meditate, dream, be still and know.
That's the view of Reynoldsville.
Yeah, we're gonna come up here and when it's really good foliage and stop and take a look at that because that's beautiful.
Yep. Cool. I wish I had the zoom on my GoPro, but I don't. I get that feature turned off. Oh, sweet home. We got a little foliage in our own backyard. Well, maybe a couple. This one got some color on the other side. All right. And we get the house all decorated. Thanks for watching.